beautiful, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I got something real cute, simple, real cute. I don't know how else to describe it. Everything is cute to me, but this is really cute. I don't know, I feel cute. Got this unit from Wiggins hair. Shout out Wiggins hair for sending me this unit today and sponsor today's video. If you guys want to know how I got this look, stay tuned and keep on watching because I'm gonna get on into it.
All I gotta say is, mwah! And you already know who it is.
Off the bat, as soon as I seen these waves and this wig and this unit, this body wave, I'm like, yep, I'm throwing curls in it. So I took the liberty of doing it off camera because it's so repetitive. It's like the same thing over and over again. And I'm literally going to show you guys how I got the curls at some point in the video for the frontal. But yeah, that wig cap had to go. I don't like a wig cap under my wigs no more. It just seemed like it's just too much, you know. Right now, I just threw the wig on, and as you can see, the frontal is not curled because I need to style it on my head. So that's how you'll get to see how I curled the unit. So don't be mad. I ain't show you the curls. You're gonna see how I got them. I'm just gonna get these braids out of the front, and then make sure the wig is adjusted the way it needs to be adjusted, and go ahead and get that middle part rocking. I feel like this is kind of essential sometimes when you don't really, like, you're not a pro at installing your wigs. You really need to make sure things are centered. And also, like, I was gonna have a middle part anyway, so it kills two birds with one stone. And that saying is terrible. Like, why are they killing birds? Anyway, hot combing that down, getting the Sebastian Shaper Plus spray, my ride or die, making sure everything is nice and flat, and the middle part is in the middle. That's all we gotta do at this point, just to make sure everything is where it needs to be before we can get to doing this ear tab. Y'all know I like to do it. I like to fill up along the ear and make it like a curved motion. You'll see that here in a second. And I'll cut right along that to just get that piece out of there and make the wig fit snug to the head. Once both my ear tabs are cut and my wig is fitting pretty secure, I'll go ahead and hit my 3 tabs, my 3 cuts, my 3 slits. It's really 2 slits. I don't know why I always say it's 3. It's 2 slits, 3 sections. That's into that. I'm gonna get a nice layer of this even spray, the active one, which I like a lot. It's a features in almost all my videos. Like, I love it so much. I'm gonna get a nice little layer down so it can dry down and be the first layer, so that the second one can go on top, but I can do that in sections. So I'm gonna let that dry completely until, you know, it's all nice and not tacky. And then once that's dried down completely, I decided to start on the side this time because, I don't know, the wig was just fitting kind of weird to my head, and I thought this was a good idea. But yeah, it actually was a good idea. I thought I was gonna say it wasn't a good idea. Maybe when I want to go put the wig back on at a later date, I probably should do this again. But yeah, definitely this was different. You know, was it necessary? You know, like, did this have to happen? No. Did I feel like being different and spontaneous? Yes, I guess. So I started with the corner, went ahead and made sure that was tacky before I pressed the lace into it. And then once I did that, I made sure I pressed it in with the comb, and we can move on to the next side after we blow it around and make sure it's real secure. And I'm just going to repeat that for all the other sides. It's time to razor off that lace. I'm using a jagged motion so that the lace is as undetectable as possible. I don't need nobody seeing I got on this wig. It's supposed to look like my hair. So don't be coming up to me asking who did your hair, because like clearly I was born this way. And like, do you mean the style? Like, do you mean who did my style? I did my hair because it came on my scalp. Like, don't ask me no stupid questions. I went ahead and sprayed on that even on the little end of the spatula edge brush. I really like this a lot. I like it a lot. I feel like it doesn't add much product, as in like that's unnecessary. Like, you don't need all that spray on your edges. It's not fun to pull the baby hairs out later on. This is just perfect. And at this point, I'm like, yeah, it's giving scalp. It's giving my hair. So I had to move forward and hit the same step on the other side. You know, repeat as usual. Get the wig to look like my hair. The even spray specifically says that you need to put a band on to, you know, press the lace into the skin. So that's what I did. I just wanted to see if like the ponytails, where they was going to go, like how they was going to lay. I had to, you know, get a visual for that. Once I got that, I was like, okay, let's take this band off. And yeah. So I really hope you guys enjoyed that plucking tutorial, because I really gave y'all my secrets so y'all can look like this as well. I'm pulling out these baby hairs. Y'all know I like my adult hairs. I ain't do them last time. This time, the adult bangs, the adult hairs, they going on my head. I like them. That's how I like them. So I'm pulling them out, and I'm going to make sure that they press to the front so that they separate from the back of the hair, so I can get to do them ponytails. And I'm just going to do 2 little ponytails. I thought they was real cute. Yeah, just getting it prepped up for that. I'm spraying a little bit of the hairspray onto the foundation of it so that I can hot comb it back into place. And it's, you know me, it's a lot of touching up. It's never not a lot of touching up. I'm going to touch it up. If anything I'm going to do, I'm going to touch it up. Just, you know, moving the hot comb in direction of where the ponytail is going to go. You know, I'm just being real, like, visual with it. Like, I'm thinking, like, what would a ponytail look like if it was swooped up? And I'm just thinking it would look like that upward motion. I'm pulling out the sideburn baby hair as well in the meantime. And then I'm also going to separate some hair from the side, because I really don't like when all of my hair is up in a half up, half down. I just like to keep some down to just anchor it down. I like to down. I like to keep it down so I can anchor it down and just make sure that my wig stays on. So that's the way I like to do it. I'm just, you know, again, inch touches, some more hairspray, another hot comb through, you know, just really making sure that this is a slick old ponytail. I can't have it no other way. I will literally die if my shit not laid. Like, so I gotta make sure I live, you know. So I gotta make sure y'all live through vicariously through me as well. So it's real slick over here. It's really giving my hair. Like, it looks like this is my hair. Okay, so this is where I went a little wrong. I usually like these thick rubber bands because they really like hold the ponytails up. But I also did this the next day, and I did it with regular rubber bands, and it looks a little better, just like not as high. But I still like this look a lot, but I just realized that I liked it with regular rubber bands instead. So that's something to be noted with. But either way, I still look very good. I sprayed a little more hairspray, and I used the back of the hot comb to just make sure it's flat, make sure the ponytail is looking like a ponytail and not no wig, you know. That's the goal. So I went ahead and did the other one off camera, as you can see. I'm just adding another little finishing touch with this edge brush comb. Now, edges time. It's edges time. I'm razoring off to the side. Y'all know how I feel. I ain't even gonna say it. So, sometimes I forget a little hair, so I'm just using these scissors to just get the little stragglies that I didn't get. But, you know, uneven is okay because it's gonna look real good when you curl it. A little bit more of that hairspray. I mean, Sebastian, can you pay me for this product mention use every single video? I know I get it from TJ Maxx, but like if you like pay me, maybe I'll tell niggas to get it from you directly, you know? Anyway, I'm showing y'all how I got this curl down. I'm doing a little flick of the wrist motion as I wrap the hair around it. Just make sure you're twisting it around because it gives that exact curl look you want. If you just wrap it around flat, it gives a different curl. I realized that, so y'all didn't have to. And then after a few seconds, I think about like 10, it's on 450. The thing is hot. I just hold it up in my hand a little bit to cool it down. At this point, what I did for the back is pin it up. But since we're about to get ready to go, I'm about to unpin the back. We just let it fall down after I let it cool in my hand for a second. Again, going to do that about 3 times for each section. Just making sure my curls is nice and curled. I ain't burned myself once, y'all. I gotta say, that's a new thing for me. Y'all know I love to burn myself. Like, I don't know, it's like a kink fetish or something. Like, I just love burning myself for some reason. But I didn't do it this time, so I'm very proud of myself. So I'm going to go ahead and curl the rest of this hair on camera so you guys can see the gist of the curls I had in the back so y'all don't feel like y'all missed out, okay? Okay. You thought I forgot about baby hair, huh? Didn't you? I didn't. I'm curling it right now. My bed head flat iron is linked down below. Any of the products I use are always linked down below if you want to get them. If you don't want to buy them in store, you can definitely get them online with my affiliate links down below. Please make sure to check the description box for that. I do got this this flat iron. Oh my god, I don't need to blow my nose or something. Hold on. Anyway, now that I'm clearer than before, you know I hit the spray on all the baby hair so that the curl holds real good. And I'm going to curl all 4 little pieces of hair. And then once I get done curling it, I'm going to use my combing technique that I really enjoy. It just cuts down the time. I just can't believe I spent hours of my life doing baby hair when I could have been combing it out first. Like this, like so. Like, my baby hair is practically done. I'm using this edge booster. In my last video, I wasn't really liking it. I don't know what it was about it, but it just wasn't laying right. This video, it did act right, so maybe I won't disown it completely. But that last video really had me about to trip about how it just wasn't laying down right. But, you know, we got through it. It's fine. It laid down right this time. And what more could I ask for real? So, thanks for being a trooper, edge booster. I'm combing them down, swooping them up. Use my finger as a guideline. Love to do that. And once I see it's looking real nice, like, I can leave it alone. I don't got to touch it no more. I'm feeling satisfied. I can move on to the next one. When I move on to the next one, I'm going to do the same thing. Comb it out. Use my finger as a guideline. Add a little edge booster to the base of it. And then comb it on down and swoop it on up like how I like. At this point, I'm pleased. I'm like, I can move on to the other side. So I went ahead and did it off camera. Here's that. And then I went ahead and added a little bit of concealer. Just the leftover concealer on this brush that I used for my eyebrows. And just put that down the middle. That changes everything. Let's let these curls free. They've been sitting down in there for about a good couple hours. Let's let them loose. Let's let them free. Let's see what the curls looking like. And they was looking real good. The hair is looking so nice. Like, wow. Wiggins never lets me down on the body wave on the curls. Like, even back a few years ago, Wiggins' hair has always just been mwah. So yeah, sprayed a little spray, hot comb a little hot comb. Y'all know I like to touch shit up. Y'all know I'm not done till the fat lady sing. I noticed I forgot this little piece of hair from my frontal. Showed y'all again how I got the curls. Y'all thought you didn't see how I got these curls? Look how I got these curls. You're welcome. That's how I did it. That's it. That's it. Hit the other side because I can't have no little one strip piece of hair. That's not right. So went ahead and got that as well. Let that sit and then I let it go. And yep. Let it go. Let it go, bitch. We're wrapping up here. I'm going to use this Edge Booster Gel, not the Edge Control. And I'm going to add a little bit of it to this little sliver and just start wrapping it around. Honestly, I had somebody come and hold the ponytail up so I could, like, do it without having to pick the ponytail up again. You know, it's just, like, kind of annoying to, like, keep having to pick it up. It's, like, really annoying. So if you got somebody in your house that needs to be, like, put to work, go ahead and have them hold your ponytail up for you. So you can just wrap it around effortlessly because that was too much work. So once I got done, I went ahead and wrapped it around itself with some more gel and sealed it off with my fingers and pulled it tight to just make sure that everything was nice and seamless and flat. Y'all always ask me what my lip combo is, so I went ahead and left it in. It's always just a brown liner and a NYX gloss. I think it's cookies and cream. But I'm gonna link it down below for y'all just in case like it's not the exact shade. I got y'all. It'll be linked down below. I'm gonna also add some Ion Silk drops and just add them a little bit to my hand. Just make me combing through my curls. Just I like the shine it gives. So after that, I was feeling myself. I had to show y'all me feeling myself. Like, I was looking real good. I was looking real good. The hair was real pretty, real voluminous. I don't got nothing else to say, but I look good, and I like this hair. So I'm going to send it on over to Real Time JaLeah.
So that's the look for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. I feel very cute. Like I said earlier, very cute. I know you see me. Looking very cute. I hope these curls last all night. Maybe I'll come back and let y'all know. Eddie and JaLeah will tell y'all if these curls last all night. It's supposed to be body weight. You know, body weight supposed to be the one to hold the curls. So I'll keep you updated on that. But the curls is curling right now. And I'm very pleased. If you like this tutorial, be sure to like the video. Leave a comment. Don't be shy. Don't be scared. If you want to recreate the look, tag me on Instagram. I'll repost you. I still love doing that. I think that's it. I look very good. I hope you guys enjoyed. And I will see you next one. Bye, beautiful.